بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? I hope you will be fine. Students, I had given you the homework. Have you done your homework? I hope you have done your homework. Okay students, let's start our today's work. Today our topic is bigger and smaller number. Our topic is bigger and smaller number. Students, look at the cups. How many cups we have? Count with me. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. We have 3 cups here. And look at here. How many cups we have here? We have only 1 cup. We have only 1 cup. Students, on number 3, we have 3 cups. And on number 1, we have only 1 cup. Now, tell me students, which number is bigger? 3 or 1? 3 is bigger or 1 is bigger? Tell me students, which number is bigger? 3 or 1? Yes, 3 is bigger because we have 3 cups here and here we have only 1 cup. So which number is bigger? 3. Which number is bigger? 3. Good. Okay students, now look at here. How many coconuts we have here? Count with me. 1, 2, 3. In this land we have 3 coconuts. How many coconuts? 3 coconuts. And now look at here. How many coconuts are in this line? How many coconuts are in this line? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 coconuts in this line. Here we have 3 coconuts and here we have 6 coconuts. Now tell me student, which number will be bigger? 3 or 6? Which number is bigger? 3 or 6? Yes, 6 is bigger number. What? 6 is bigger number. Good. Okay students, take out your book and open page number 7. Which one page you will be open? 7 number page. Okay, open it. Yes students, you open page number 7. You open page number 7 students? Yes. Okay students. Our question is, circle the bigger number. Circle the bigger number. Students, they have done the one question for you. Okay, this one question they have done. Now we will do next question. Okay, look at here. Here we have how many balls? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we have 4 balls. And on other side we have how many balls? Count with me. 1, 2. We have 2 balls. Now tell me, which number will be bigger? 4 or 2? Which number is bigger? 4 or 2? Yes, 4 is bigger. Okay students, now we will circle the bigger number And which number is bigger? 4 is bigger, so we will circle the 4. We will circle the 4. Okay student, have you circled 4? Good. Okay student, now look at the next question. Next question is this one. Yes students, how many sheep we have here? Look at. We have how many sheep? Count with me. 1, 2. 1, 2. We have 2 sheep here. And how many sheep are on other side? Oh, only 1 sheep is here. Now tell me students, 2 is bigger or 1 is bigger? Which number is bigger? 2 or 1? Yes, 2 is bigger. Now we will circle the 2. Okay, circle the 2. Yes students, you circle 2. Yes. Okay, look at here. Here is candies. Wow. How many candies are here? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 candies. And now look at here. How many candies are here? Count with me. 1, 2, 3. We have 3 candies here. Now tell me students, which number is bigger, 5 or 3? Which number is bigger, 5 or 3? Yes, 5 is bigger. Circle the 5. Students, circle the 5. Yes students, you circle 5? Yes, good. Okay students, our book work is finished. Now I have prepared a worksheet for you. Okay, it is your homework. Okay, look at the worksheet. Okay students, now look at the worksheet. Okay, it is your homework and you will do it with your parents. Okay, first you will draw the margin line on both sides. Okay students, draw the margin line neat. With ruler you will draw the margin line on both sides. Okay, then you will write here spelling of maths, then homework. Okay, and here you will put the date. Ask from your parents and then put the date here. Question is tick the bigger number. Question is tick the bigger number. Students, I have given you 5 questions. Look at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I have given you 5 questions. You will do it. Okay, and then send the picture to your teacher on WhatsApp. It's your homework. Okay, do it neat. Very good. Okay students, our work is finished. Allah Hafiz. Thank you so much.
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما.